Say you've got a clip that works, and you want a little more of it. The Extend button takes the very last frame of that clip and hands it to the Video tab as a start frame. Which is the whole trick. There's no special Extend model. You're animating the final frame, so the new shot begins exactly where the old one ended. Notice it clears the prompt, because now you describe what happens next. So write the next few seconds. 3 seconds is 30 cents. The frame grab costs nothing. You're just paying for one short clip. And there's your continuation. One honest note. This is a new take that starts from that frame, not a seamless join. So drop the two clips side by side in your editor, and the cut will do the rest. Next up, editing an image with nothing but words.